Walker on Mac as prosecution with my assistant Tyler Steers.
Thank you. Defendant, please state your name for the record.
Oh, forgot to unmute. I am Tanibus.
And I am simplest username representing Tanibus.
Thank you. We got our court bailiff, Ate Feline. If you guys are out of decorum, he will ask you to remove yourself from the courtroom. All right, everyone. It's time for voir dire. Voir dire. It's time for jury selection. So, voir dire, also known as to speak the truth, is a selection process to pick jurors for this case. As you right now, there are currently 12 people in the jury box, but they are not the official jury. The prosecution and defense team will question a particular juror or the entire box at once. The counselors has the right to remove you from the jury for any reason. I mean any reason. Once a juror is striked, you will be placed back into the gallery and another one will replace you. Alright, defense prosecution, are you ready for voir dire?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Prosecution, you may begin with voir dire. You may stand up and address the jury, the current jury.
Tyler, please stand up as well. Yeah, so, gentlemen of the jury, I'd like to ask you what your views are on on crimes against humanity, please.
The jury seems to be slow.
It would appear that way.
So, prosecution, do you have any idea if you want to keep any of the jurors or do you want to kick one of them out? Your choice.
Well, all the jurors can stay for now, in my opinion.
Okay, defense, you got any questions for voir dire?
I do, Your Honor. All right. Juror number 5. Do you know the Muffin Man? This is very pertinent to the case. Do you know the Muffin Man?
The juror must answer the question.
Do you... Okay. Do you, juror number 5, know of the Muffin Man? Do you like muffins, sir? Juror number 2. What is your favorite Taylor Swift song? Actually, you know what? I'm going to address the entire jury. Jurors, what's your favorite Taylor Swift song? This is highly important to see if you are fit for this case. Your Honor, I would like to petition to remove Bear Ghost from the jury.
And so ordered. Bailiff, please remove juror number Bear from the jury.
Of course. Bear, please stand up.
Did you just say you don't care about Taylor Swift? I'm gonna need you to repeat that for the record.
Latte, please replace. Bailiff, please replace one of the jurors.
All right.
Thank you.
You redeem yourself, Chris.
Capus, could you please stand or jump? Congrats, your jury now.
All right, juror number 1. Do you listen to Imagine Dragons? Imagine dragging these nuts across your face. Nothing further, Your Honor.
Thank you. Defense, prosecution. Are the people on the jury acceptable for the case? Prosecution, defendant, defense.
These jurors are acceptable for the case, Your Honor.
Thank you.
These jurors are acceptable, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. This court is now in session. Case number 420-69007. July 28th, 2023. Court is now in session, everyone. All right. This case will revolve around the Quantum Internal Affairs Department versus Tanabis on the subject of war crimes against humanity. Prosecution, your opening statement.
I'd like to make the opening statement of the defendant has the defendant has been very active within the region of the Middle East recently, and I do believe that this may be linked with our investigation of against like crimes against humanity, as this is where the majority of said crimes have occurred, as like say for example like the region of I don't know fucking know I forgot yeah, one of those. That's where he probably did it. Anyway, that's yeah.
All right. Thank you,
That's all, Your Honor.
prosecution. Defense, your opening statement.
It looks like my lawyer crashed. So simple. What happened?
Your Honor, my computer ate shit.
All right, I guess I'm giving the opening statement. So,
No, hold on.
oh,
I got this. All right, I'm phoning into the court. Is that acceptable, Your Honor?
Yes, it is acceptable.
he's on a video
right.
call.
Tan, I'm gonna need you to stand in front of the courtroom, just to stand in front of everyone.
All right.
All right. Look at this man. He is a pure, innocent, kind soul. He could never do anything to anybody. He works at the meat department day and night, thanklessly serving people their meat. He's a hero to the quantum community, and he could never commit war. He's not even physically capable of war crimes.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
Counselor, please restrain your defendant. Thank you. Defense, is that your opening statement?
Look, I I don't know what just happened. But anyways, look, he's just not capable of war crime. He couldn't have been. He wasn't. We've got rock solid alibis that prove that he wasn't at the place where the war crimes took place.
The counselor just ate shit. Sorry. Syphilis, we can't hear you.
I can hear him.
I
I
can't hear
can
him.
hear him.
I do not hear him. For the
Your Honor,
Okay,
my
there you
hear
go.
me
I
now?
can hear you. I hear you now.
All right. Anyways, yeah, he did not kill those children, and he couldn't have. All right. Thank you.
All right. Prosecution, your first witness.
I'd like to call Acer Paradox to testify.
And so ordered. Bailiff, please bring up the witness to the witness stand.
Mr. Paradox, if you could please stand. You may sit in the front, on the front table.
Court clerk, please put the oath for the witness.
Mr. Icer Paradox, do you swear to tell the truth and nothing but the truth?
Oh, sorry. I apologize. Mr. Aether, Mr. Paradox, can I have you request access to the stage? If you do wish. If you wish.
Please don't fuck this.
You do not have VC. Okay, continue on. Continue on. Paradox, not Paradox. Prosecution, your questions?
Mr. Paradox, I'd like to ask you, do you believe that the defendant is do you believe they are capable and willing to commit said war crimes in said in said region, mainly in the orphanage down the street, because I forgot where it actually was?
Objection, Your Honor.
On what grounds?
Cringe.
Cringe, sustained. The witness may not answer that question. Prosecution, you're on thin ice. Give us a better question.
Damn. Okay. Mr. Paradox, I'd like to ask you, do you believe the defendant is a boy kisser? I believe the slow mode is preventing him from answering.
Let the record show. The witness did say yes.
That will be all.
Uh, defense, you may cross-examine your witness if you prefer.
All right, Mr. Paradox. You said you believe that he's a boy kisser. Do you have solid evidence that Mr. my defendant, my client, walk inside and then saw an explosion, but yet somehow didn't see conveniently what caused it, simply stating that, oh, my client happened to walk inside and then it blew up. Well, that's not evidence that he blew it up. He just happened to be there. And last I checked, being in the presence of a crime is not equivalent to committing it. Nothing further for this witness, Your Honor.
Thank you. The witness is now excused. Bailiff, please bring him back into the jury stand. Prosecution, do you have any other witnesses to call up?
My assistant would probably know which other witness we had because I appear to have lost my documentation.
Mr. Assistant District Attorney, do you have any witnesses to call up to the stage?
Just offline.
Just offline? Okay, just offline. So ordered. Bailiff, please bring in.
Mr. Jess offline, if you could please stand. If you could go up to the witness stand.
The court clerk may now swear in the witness.
Yes, sir. Mr. Jessup-Line, do you swear to say the truth and nothing but the truth? Hello?
All right, Jess, do you prefer talking with the next we typing chat, or would you like to get on stage? Stage VC, okay, please request. All right,
Okay, arrival. So,
prosecution, your first question.
All right, I'd like to ask you, on the night of the orphanage being bombed, what did you happen to see since you were nearby at the time?
I was nearby. He parked his truck. I don't know what he calls it, and I don't know what it looks like anymore because I'm pretty sure it doesn't exist. But appeared to be going into the orphanage with some documents. Surely, not related to this. Next time I looked over, the truck was gone.
Did you see anything odd about the truck, such as improvised explosives or anything non-standard?
It had this quality assurance of falling apart every time it started.
Is that not? Is that like safe?
Next to an orphanage? No.
That will be all.
Defense, you may now begin cross-examination.
Did the orphanage explode when you saw it?
I was going to walk away after this happened, then shit hit the fan, everything went kaboom.
Okay. Your Honor, I must prepare some evidence. Give me a moment.
All right. If you have any evidence, please submit it to the document, and I'll plaster it up on the screen.
Oh no, I've got a better idea.
Oh, you got a better idea.
Fine, you'll see it. Let me cook.
Prosecution may let you remind you that you can object if you wish to
All
any
right.
questions.
Here we go. I'm gonna put this in the corner. You all can see this, yes? Shit, hold on. There we go. All right. You see that image over there, Mr. Offline? Do you see that? What's over
Yup.
there to our left? All right.
Oh,
That is, as the jurors can very clearly see, is my client, Mr. Ibis, sleeping soundly in a bed next to his awesome gaming machine in his room in the orphanage. My client was framed. That truck left because someone stole it on their way out of bombing the orphanage, on their way out of the bombing in order to frame my client. And my client should not be held accountable for the defense's incompetence in finding the true culprit. Or the prosecution's incompetence in finding the true culprit.
Objection, Your Honor.
On what grounds?
How
Hmm.
could someone have framed his car if that how could someone have framed him for owning a car that he had been driving previously and okay. The point here is that his car would
Overruled.
fall
That
apart.
is a question, counselor. That is a question, not a
I
statement.
fucked up. Apologies. The car being explosive is the point, not him driving it.
Okay.
Repeat your objection.
The car is explosive, not him driving it. That's not the point.
Exactly.
Yes, and he
So
owns
it
cars.
didn't have to be him driving it. Someone stole it, Your Honor. As the records from the police show, that car was reported stolen shortly after the evening. What? Hold on.
this is the
Off with you.
Off with
Can
you.
we kill this motherfucker?
All right.
Stop stacking. Holy shit, I'm gonna.
Well,
I
members of the
would-
jury,
One up on the
stop
ball,
speaking
and we're gonna throw a flag
from the
at him.
courtroom. Will the
No
members
court.
of the gallery stop stacking, or you will be removed forcibly from the courtroom? Thank you.
No court uprising.
I make the wall a little thicker. There we go.
Well, they went over it. Oh, no, they can't go over it. How the hell did they go through it? What the hell?
I don't know, dog. Anyways, nothing further for this witness, Your Honor. I'm going to leave that in the corner.
I'd like to mention that there is a random person staring outside the window.
What's up, homeboy?
Who is this man?
Oh, what the hell?
Bailiff, could you please deal
It's a
with
part
the
of the
trespasser?
jury, man. Let him be.
Please shoot the
Yes,
trespasser.
as soon as FBX starts working. There we go.
Okay,
Yes.
witness, you are dismissed. Bailiff, please bring him back.
Yes, of course.
What happened to two members of the jury? Two members of the jury are like dead. Bailiff, Mr. Bailiff, you killed two people of the jury.
No.
Acceptable casualties.
Casualties of war.
Minor error.
Mr. Bailiff, can you please refresh the two jurors who are currently maimed? Prosecution,
Of course.
any other witnesses?
Okay, for my final witness, I have one more. Mr. Blue Gamer Dog. I'd like to.
Blue Gamer Dog, so ordered.
Whoever is the other person who is named, please announce yourself.
I'd like to mention that the court has no responsibility of any maiming in the course of a court. All right, Mr. Bailiff, please bring in Blue Gamer Dog for the witness.
Okay. Your Honor, I believe Blue Gamer Dog is AFK. Nope.
Nope.
Stand on the witness stand.
May the court clerk swear in our witness.
Sure, my honor. Mr. Blue Gamazog, do you swear on God to tell the truth and always the truth?
On God?
On God. No, on God, not on Gad.
On God.
On Gad.
Yes.
On
Mr.
God.
Blue,
Thank you.
would you like to use the stage VC or continue talking in chat? Oh, whoopsie, I forgot. I need to. Oh, well. As preferred. Alright. Go ahead, Mr. Blue.
Should I ask my question?
Yes, prosecution, please ask the question.
Mr. Blue, I'd like to ask you real quick. So, on the night of the orphanage bombing, what did you see? You were present, as I recall. So please do state what you saw.
Let the record show that Blue has said some naughty stuff in chat. Therefore, it has been censored.
Unreliable witness.
Rule the witness is guilty.
What?
Can we rule the witness as guilty?
Fine with me.
Prosecution, what do you think of that? Really?
I'm fine with it. Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Blue, yeah. All right. Blue Gamer Dog, you are guilty of war crimes.
Blue?
Blue Gamer Bomb.
Blue Gamer Dog, you are hereby found guilty of contempt of court. 30 days jail time in the state prison. So ordered. Bailiff, remove the witness.
Smack his nuts while you're at it.
Yeah, smack his nuts. Yeah,
True.
I'm ordering the bailiff to smack Blue's nuts.
Stand up, Blue.
Is he lasering the nuts?
I mean, you got to make them a little toasty. From now on, anyone who is stacking, I will freeze.
All right, prosecution. Do you have any more witnesses?
Mr. Horizon, Yustopaketi, I'd like to invite you to testify.
Horizon, and so ordered. Please bring Horizon up to the witness stand. May the court clerk swear in our witness.
Yes, sir. Mr. Justo thinks shit. Do you swear to tell the truth and only the truth here in this court?
Objection, Your Honor.
On what grounds?
He didn't say it on God.
Overruled.
What?
Witness may continue. Witness, would you like to talk in chat or you like to stage VC? For your chat, okay. Go ahead.
All right.
Prosecution, your questions.
Now, well, I'd like to ask you the same question I've asked the rest. What did you see on the night of the bombing, Mr. Yusto?
Mr. Bailiff, I'd like to direct your attention to the window.
Jesus fucking Christ.
We have another intruder.
What is your name? Neckers?
What?
That's literally his name.
Interesting.
Yeah, so I'm still here.
Oh, hi.
Can I get out?
Yes, you can get out.
Don't.
Get out! Get out!
Get out! Sorry.
Okay, so did you see anything in the parking lot regarding Mr. Ibus's truck? You did not. Did you see anything else besides the entryway? Nothing you can remember, alright. Did you see anyone after you saw this? Did you leave the premises or did you stay around for any longer? And what did you do when the orphanage exploded? What did you do when the orphanage exploded? Did you stay around or did you just leave immediately? Apologies. I see. Well, that will be all, I suppose.
Prosecution, I'd like to mention to keep your cat in check. Is this understood?
This is understood, Your Honor.
Thank you. Defense, do you have any questions to cross-examine?
Mr. Piketty. You see that photo to our right? Would you say that the man in that photo appears to be sleeping?
Mr. Bailiff, you can ban the person standing in the window. Thank you.
Can sleeping people bomb orphanages?
Okay, I'm gonna be kicking everyone who's gonna be outside right now.
And could you explain to the court how exactly a sleepy EP man would bomb, even unlikely? And we need to prove this beyond a reasonable doubt. How would a sleeping man bomb poor innocent children? Sleepwalking. Well, as we all know by legal precedent, you are a different person when you're asleep, so we should be imprisoning Tanabis' sleeping self if that's the case. But we're not. So, you know, hold that L. Nothing further, Your Honor.
Thank you. Prosecution, any other witness or you're prepared to rest your case?
One further witness, and then I will rest my case.
All right.
Miss,
sorry.
Miss, go on, please. Miss Abigail, or physics. I'd like to invite you up to the stand.
And so ordered. Horizon, you're dismissed. Thank you. For the record, I would like to mention our court reporter has fell asleep on the job and is not typing anything onto the transcripts. So some of it's missing. That's I'll be talking to you in chambers shortly. And also, Mr. Bailiff, there's people in the walls.
What the fuck, Mr. Bailiff?
They're in the
Up in your
goddamn wall.
walls.
How does he?
How is
Uh,
a Russian spy has alts?
Clerk, you may
Yeah.
you may swear in your witness.
Miss Abigail, do you swear on God for real, no cap, to say the truth and only the truth? Thank you.
Madam Abigail, would you like to speak on stage or continue talking in chat? All right, thank you. Please submit a request. All right, prosecution, you may ask your first question.
All right. I was okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna ask you the same question again. Did you see anything regarding Mr. Ibis during the night of the bombing or previously? As in, do you would you happen to know anything about when exactly he would go to sleep?
Did you hear me? Hello? Oh, sorry,
Yes, we
I
can
was
He
hear
did not
you.
hear
muted.
you.
Can we speak now?
So I was there, in fact, and
Your microphone appears to be cutting out.
okay, so I was indeed there, and I have a picture from where I saw him at the stage. If
Could
I
you?
may present this evidence,
Oh, you have evidence, eh?
yes,
Okay, please DM it to me if you have evidence, and I will show it up to the court.
as you wish.
Thank you.
Your Honor has been.
Okay, give me a second. Let me just pop this up on the big screen. Uh, why can't I not share my screen? I can't share my screen. That's tragic.
Maybe you can describe it?
Let me just plaster this screenshot in what's that place called? In the peanut gallery. The photo has been posted in the peanut gallery.
Objection, Your Honor.
Dear God.
On what
That
grounds?
that's there's
My
no
twin brother.
yeah, that's his twin brother, Your Honor.
He has
I have
Prosecution.
taken this picture
fire-bending
with my own
abilities.
camera.
Prosecution. Actually, Madam Witness, can you verify the person in the photo as a twin or the person on the fence?
It was indeed him, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Prosecution may continue. Let the record show that the witness has pointed out as the defendant as the person in the photo.
Right. So, may I ask, is this picture, or where is this picture located? Is this in the orphanage?
It was indeed outside of the orphanage, and you can see the fuel tank.
I see. Well, given the okay, given the given this picture, would it not be unreasonable to assume that the defendant was awake, was like not eepy for long enough to do such a thing before going to eep right afterwards, explaining the picture on the next to the clerk? I believe she's having some issues.
I believe so. I did not understand you.
That would be all, I suppose.
All right, defense. Do you have any questions to cross-examine?
I do, Your Honor. But give me one moment. Let me cook.
Let him cook.
All right, let's see here. Can the court see this image?
Yes, we do see the image, Mr. Defense.
All right. Do you mind telling me the emotion that the orphans are expressing in this photograph? Mrs. Gale? I don't know.
They seem happy as it was morning.
Yeah. So, if my client here makes orphans happy, what motivation would he have to bomb them? Understandable. My client regularly brings the orphans in that orphanage candy and presents and food, and you think he would be capable of such a heinous act? My client regularly brings. You want to see what my client does? Hold on. My client. Hold on. Let me cook. No criminal would make their plans obvious. Oh yeah, look at this hardworking man in the meat. You see, he's in the meat department. And look, he gives all of this. He gives all of this fresh food to the orphanage so they can cook it and prepare it for the children. Why would he spend so much time caring about this orphanage? And making all of these children have so much joy in their lives if he wanted to bomb them. Explain that to me, Mrs. Rose. What haters exactly does my client have? Oh, hell no. Hold on. Long-term enemies. But his long-term enemies aren't the orphans. He makes them smile on a daily basis. So how do you explain that one?
Objection, speculation.
Wait, hold on.
I know I'm not supposed to weigh in, but that sounds like speculation to me.
Well, guess what? Her pants are on fire, so she's a liar. Nothing further, Your Honor.
The witness's excuse.
Can we bring the fire department here? Thank you.
Bailiff, please extinguish the witness.
Someone help the witness. Yeah, we don't want another court case in this courtroom. Perfect.
Oh no.
I've been
Can you get
sabotaged.
the bailiff to extinguish Mr. Simplester's names?
Prosecution, you have any other witnesses?
One moment.
I need you to
Mr.
Latte, I need you to put me out. Latte.
David, please
I need-
distinguish the defense lawyer.
Wait, apologies everyone. Apologies everyone. I need to make a statement here. I need to make a statement. I just received word of evidence that just came in of the aftermath of the bombing. I'll be sending the photo in gallery, the peanut gallery. There has been remarkable evidence.
Is that the guy for the shops?
Objection, Your Honor.
On what grounds?
The orphanage is still intact.
How do you know?
Technically, it's not exploded in that photograph. It's just exploding.
Overruled. Prosecution, your witness.
Overcooled.
All right, my witness. Let's see. One moment, I need to actually. Yeah, okay. Mr. Just Luca, I'd like
Just
to invite
Lucas.
you up to the
And
stage.
so ordered.
All right, Mr. Just Luca.
That is some damning evidence. Some damning evidence defense. I'm just saying.
It isn't Zuka related. Okay. Mr. Lucio, will you swear to tell the truth and always the truth?
Buddy?
Fuck.
Are you high on something? You sound like you're high. Are you high?
No.
Objection,
You
Your
sound like
Honor.
you're next to me slow.
He's tripping balls.
He's choking.
Where did you take Tristan?
He's choking.
No.
Oh my gosh. Dude, he drank that liquid from that one Gravity Falls episode.
Can you give him some water? Maybe preferably in a cup.
Oh, fuck off.
Bailiff, please
Stop it,
please give the court clerk some water.
Okay, I
okay.
think our court clerk may be incapacitated. So, Luca,
Okay,
these-
don't worry, I'm fine.
Oh, he's fine.
He's gonna
Okay.
blow.
Well, do you swear to tell the truth and always the truth, witnesses just Lucas? Okay, good. You can
Luca,
talk.
do you want to be in the stage or whatever? Or chat? Okay, fair enough. Prosecution, your questions.
I'd like to ask my assistant if they could ask some questions, if possible.
I'm gonna go with the same questions Tommy were going with, but a little bit more detailed. Do you have any people that have any more evidence in on this case, and what did you do when you saw this happen?
Fuck all of my-
Did you see anybody else on the scene of when it happened? That is all for me.
Defense, you may cross-examine if you wish.
All right. Just Luca, what is your favorite Kesha song?
There's one correct answer. I'm just saying.
Yup.
You disappoint me.
Petition. Your Honor, may I kill this witness?
And so ordered, you may kill the witness.
All right. Witness, please rise. Into the floor with
You
you.
should have deleted his head.
Execution.
You know what? I can do that too. Hold on.
Execution, are you resting your case? Oh, God.
Yes, Your Honor. I rest my case.
I think I deleted his being.
Oh,
Okay, defense, do you have any witnesses to call up?
All right. I have my first witness is Tanabus.
Cannabis. All right. Please take
Also,
a stand.
Luke, I think I respond to you, but
Court clerk, please swear in the witness. Mr. Court clerk is having a nap.
Is he high again?
He's on fire. That's what he is.
He's smoking. Court clerk.
I think he
Miss-
smoked a little too much.
Excuse me, I had to burn a cat very quickly. Yeah, what's going on?
Please
oh
swear
yeah,
in the
Mr.
witness.
Mr. Stir Fry or Tanibus, I don't fucking know how you call it. Do you swear to tell the truth and only the truth, like last time?
on God, for real, no cap.
Good job, you did it.
Right.
Defense me question.
Mr. Ibis, do you recognize that photo to stage left, your right?
Yes.
That is you in that photo, correct?
Yep.
And what are you doing in that photo?
I am working at the meat department.
And is it true that you often, in collaboration with your meat department, gave free food to the orphanage?
All the time.
So then is it true that you would have no motivation to bomb that orphanage?
I'm too depressed to bomb an orphanage. But yes.
Mood. What? Can we have the clerk repeat that for the record?
Negative.
I'd like to mention that our court reporter fell asleep on the job, so we can't go back on that.
Hmm.
We don't have waste on the record, so.
Just to clear up a rumor that the peanut gallery is spreading to the jurors, the meat is not made of children, correct?
Correct.
All right, good. All right. Let me cook for a second here. All right. So the court's seen this image before. It's you with some orphans, correct?
Yes.
Now, do you like orphans?
To an extent.
No, that's a little sus to me, I'm just saying.
Do you?
Well, no, I'm not a pedophile.
That, oh my god.
That's what I said last time.
Okay. All right.
In what
So
context do I like them? Specify.
Are you friendly with orphans?
Yes.
All right. So, Jesus Christ. You see these orphans? Would you say they're happy in this photo, Mr. Ibis?
Yes.
Do they also look very unexploded in this photo?
Yes.
All right. So therefore, the orphans are happy and not exploded. So my client didn't explode him. It's as simple as that. Now,
Did his computer die again?
no, not yet.
No? Okay.
It's probably gonna
Yeah.
in like 10 minutes, but not yet.
Assume TM.
I broke oh my god. Uh-oh.
Bailiff. Bailiff.
What happened?
I appear to have accidentally
behind
moved the
it.
barrier.
Stay behind
They're
it.
great. Oh no.
Get
Bailiff.
Well,
I'm gonna need you to-
illegals!
I'm gonna need you to.
Containment breach.
Trespassing will be kicked from the courtroom.
No.
Oh my.
What did you do?
He's here. The real bomber is here. It wasn't me.
Is here.
It wasn't me.
What did you
All right.
do?
Happy.
The bailiff has lost his
Take
left
care of it.
arm.
We're good. Anyways, the bailiff might be missing an arm, but we're good. All right, now I'm gonna.
All is well.
I bet the insurance company's gonna enjoy hearing about this.
All right. Is the okay, Mr. Ibis? Is this your?
Before we continue,
Is this
I want to
your-
mention who committed the arson in the courtroom.
Oh, I exploded. I tried to explode one of the intruders and I exploded everyone.
Plus, I'm finding you in contempt of court. I'm finding you 200 Robux,
No.
and that's coming out of your
My life
paycheck.
savings.
You're also being
No.
sentenced.
No. No.
Into the shadow realm.
Well, guess I'm defending myself.
No. I'm
All right.
defending yourself.
Let him
Alright.
cook.
Is this you in this bed, Mr. Ibis?
Yes.
And is this your sick gaming setup?
Yes.
Is it true that you game with the orphans?
Yes.
And is it true that when you game with the orphans, you must move your gaming setup into the orphanage?
Correct.
All right. Do you value your gaming setup, Mr. Ibis?
Yes.
So then why would he explode his own sick... Is this a Little Caesars box? I think it is. His own sick Little Caesars setup.
I built it myself.
Yeah. Just to kill some orphans. That's a bit silly, isn't it?
No.
Yeah. Now, Mr. Ibis, I'm going to ask you one last question. It's pretty straightforward. Did you bomb those orphans?
No.
And that's all you need to hear, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing further for this witness, Your Honor.
Prosecution, you may cross-examine if you wish.
Right. So, while his sick gaming setup and whatnot are all prized possessions of his, and he would not want to destroy them, who is to say that he is not that he was not like intoxicated upon the night of the bombing? Who is to say that he did not have ulterior motives more valuable than said gaming
Objection,
setup?
Your Honor.
On what grounds?
Bleeding.
Bleeding. Oh, first time you actually use a court the term. Overruled.
Bitch.
I'm gonna put you in contempt, bitch.
No
Boy.
walls.
Anyway, I don't believe there is any proof to to prove that he was not intoxicated.
Are you asking a question?
Yeah,
No,
objection.
my cat, sorry.
Objection.
Yes. What is your question? Objection.
There was no blood alcohol test or drug test given, so therefore he must be assumed sober.
And plus, was there an autopsy report?
There's an updated one, as a matter of fact.
Oh, really?
On the dead witness, on the witness.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he
sure.
died
Yeah.
from cringe
I can
because
see that.
that's how outrageous this claim was. He actually keeled over and died from cringe, and we had to do an autopsy on him, and then he came back to life just to come to court today. That is the amount of dedication he has to respect the law. It's that he literally defied death to come to court.
Man too angry to die.
Prosecution, you have any other questions?
Right. So, I forgot. So no.
All right. The witness is excused. Prosecution, I'll give you one more witness.
Yeah, excuse me. I got a small question, but can the bailiffs extinguish me because I'm currently burning in agony? Thank you.
Yes,
You're
the bailiff is
French.
directed to. The bailiff is directed to
Well,
Okay.
there
Why do you bright?
extinguish.
Yeah, fucking the bailiff made
Thank
me
you,
a
sir.
beacon. All right. My last witness is the Honorable Dr. Alex Damaging.
Me?
Yes, you.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Judge
Clear-
Judy, also known as Monsieur Alex Illing, do you swear to tell the truth and only the truth in this court?
I swear on Allah.
On Hala?
Yes.
Wait a minute.
Sounds
All
kinda
right.
gay, bro.
So, do you mind repeating to me what you swore on just now?
I plead the fifth.
That
Like Hala.
are you of Middle Eastern origin, Mr. Damaging?
No, I'm Asian.
Is it possible that Asians could live in the Middle East?
I mean, it is possible, but I was sure.
Isn't the Middle East part of Asia?
Sure. Yes. All right.
Sure.
So, is the Middle East a known conflict zone where it would be possible to acquire weapons of mass destruction?
I'm unsure of that question. I'm unaware of all
The answer is yes. The
politics.
answer is yes, jury. That's what we need to know. Now,
What this will disregard this statement from Simplest.
did you bomb that orphanage, Your Honor?
Oh, that's frivolous. That's funny. Extremely funny.
No.
Accusing the judge of bombing the orphanage.
Well, the facts just seem to line up all too well. Wouldn't you all agree? We've got a Middle Eastern judge who can get explosives, expedite them to the U.S. overseas, and bring them to this. This judge here is aware of my client, where he works, where he lives. He rigged those explosives, and he set up this entire case just to frame my client and get away with the crime scot-free because he hates orphans.
Mr. Counselor, when was this? When did this occurrence take place?
3 months ago is when you imported the explosives, and the orphanage bombing occurred 1 month ago.
1 month ago. Do you know a specific date? What month ago?
It would have been exactly 1 month ago.
Exactly 1 month ago. Exactly. Let me go check my calendar. What happened exactly 1 month ago?
To the day.
On the 28th, I was working at my job. Boom.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Can I see your timesheet?
My timesheet. Sure thing. Sure thing. Actually, I can't show you it, but I work for the government.
Hmm.
Oh no, literally, I work for the city. So I'm pretty sure they have it unlogged.
Awfully convenient, those city workers' schedules. You can be clocked in as a city worker and not even have to be at the office. You can work from home, quote unquote home. It's 2023. It's COVID.
I work as a ticket
COVID's
scanner.
coming down. You can work from ticket scanner. You say?
Yes, ticket scanning.
Is it
I
true
work
that
at
you've got
theater.
friends? Is it true that you've got friends there at your
Sure.
workplace?
Sure. I think I call them friends. Yeah.
So, you say one of those friends would be willing to clock in for you, create a very convenient alibi for you to use.
No, you see here, you're requiring my username and password.
Now, isn't it very easy to give someone a username and password?
But I can contradict you with this one question, with this one statement. To clock in, you require a fingerprint.
You can. There's fingerprint lifting tape.
I'm pretty sure.
It's real. I saw it on NCIS.
NCIS Naval Criminal Investigation Service. Unfortunately, objection, Your Honor. Objection is sustained.
No.
See this man? I made him stand. This man is a coward and a fraud. And he bombed those orphans. You see, I'm going to show this to the court one more time. because I think it's very important for you all to see. Look at how happy these orphans are. All right.
Those are some very happy orphans. Like,
You
like
hate happiness,
they were
don't you, Your
forced
Honor?
to smile. Like they were forced to smile.
Oh, don't even. They're different smiles. If we had forced them to smile, they would all have the same smile because consistency is key.
Oh, okay. No, look here. These two have the exact same smile. These two have the exact same smile. Therefore,
That one smile
you
is he's so
collaborated.
happy the smile is leaving his head. Do you think a man would be capable of such a large smile if it was fake? How would we even coerce orphans to fake smile?
Have you heard of the CIA? This is some advanced torture shit. This is advanced interrogation.
You think we look at this one orphan? His legs got maimed in another bombing accident, an unrelated orphanage, and you think we would do that to him? What is wrong with you, you sick twisted
Order in
head?
the court.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm the judge now, bitch.
Oh,
Get,
nice.
get the fuck down from my podium. Get down. I'm holding you in contempt of court. 10 days in your mama.
Nothing
Please
further
Still,
for
please
this
stop being
witness.
man. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna
Prosecution. You may cross-examine.
Right. So, okay. In let's say theoretically, Mr. Alex Damaging was in fact the bomber of the orphanage. What motive would he have to do so? There, like, I don't know if there is any overarching thing here that could possibly give him a motive to do so.
Well,
But
exactly. I have no motive to bomb an orphanage.
from what I can see, there is no reason for him to do so. But then,
Objection?
unless
Yes. On what grounds?
He's old looking, and old people hate everyone.
Excuse me.
So-
I am 17.
True.
Yeah, but you look old, so L.
Prosecution. Continue on.
anyway, unless the defense has anything to present regarding a potential motive, I don't see any reason that Mr. Alex Damaging would have blown up the orphanage.
I just gave you his. I just gave you his motive. He hates everyone.
Well, yeah, okay. But besides that, because he's not he's not that old.
Besides, they give you a motive
Not old.
besides
He's
the
not
motive.
old. He's
Look
not
at
old.
him. He's got gray hair.
He's 17 as a wig.
Oh yeah.
Look like I have long hair.
Do you have any proof?
I'm not posting my real life photo here, so no,
No, don't.
I won't. I'm not submitting that into evidence.
You're to be because I'm going to kill you.
Anyway,
Prosecution.
that is all.
Done questioning. Okay. I'm excusing myself as a witness. Defense. Do you rush your case?
I have one last piece of evidence to present, Your Honor.
Okay. What is it?
Cannabis gaming.
Okay. So.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right. Time for closing remarks. Prosecution. You may do your closing statement, closing argument to the jury.
Anyway, so from our pieces of evidence that we have collected, I do believe it is that we have fairly damning evidence regarding Mr. Ibus and his bombing, as he was sighted. He was spotted near the gas tank of the orphanage at the time of the bombing, and he was spotted with his truck nearby at right before the bombing. I do believe that it is quite well that besides the apparent lack of a motive, it is quite obvious that it was him. I don't I forgot what I was gonna say because I don't even know. Anyway, yeah, that was all. Defense,
your closing. statement.
Tang, you mind standing up with me? Look at this man.
I love how you're standing that far away from the jury.
You know what? Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, we
Let's come
might
here.
want to walk out.
All right. Look at this man. He's smiling. He's doing his best in spite of the hardships that this phony, fake, orphan bombing judge, fake news, he's befallen upon him. This judge is trying to use the full force of the law to cover his tracks. Don't let him. I beg you. If you let the judge win, democracy falls. Do you understand? All of the orphanages across the country and across the world will fall. There's a lot of stake for you 12 jurors. Make the right choice. Nothing further.
I have
Alright.
something. You may
Okay.
notice in that photo that is supposedly me next to the explosive, you can't see my face. And plus, why would anyone take a photo of some random guy next to an explosive? Wouldn't be the normal reaction just to run? That is all.
So true.
Alright. Jury. War crimes against humanity is the most serious charge tried in our criminal courts. You heard a long and complex case, gentlemen. It is now your duty to sit down and try to separate the facts from the fancy. 20 children are dead. The life of a man is at stake. If there is a reasonable doubt in your minds as the guilt of the accused, then you must declare him not guilty. If, however, there is no reasonable doubt, then he must be found guilty. Whichever you may decide, the verdict must be unanimous. I urge you to deliberate honestly and thoughtfully. You are faced with a grave responsibility. Thank you, gentlemen. Bailiff, please escort them to the deliberation room.
Yeah. Jury, if you could please follow me.
And also, jury members, please check QIAD. You have been given access.
Bailiff, we're still missing 3.
Wakey, jury. Get out of here.
Get the fuck up!
Wake up!
Deliberation. Wake up. You killed a
Oh,
jury
shit,
member.
just kill
Oh,
someone!
I think we just we murdered someone. One of them's still gone though.
I frame lag.
Objection overruled.
Joey, you do not get a voice chat, sadly. If he does not wake up, replace him with a new jury member. Or something. I don't care. If he's not a part of the jury, he's not a part of the jury. Just kill him.
I mildly hate the fact you hit the names.
Oh, you already made a VC for the jury. Beautiful.
There we go. I was not trying to kill you. Now get in the room. All right, who is the jury I accidentally killed?
Court is now recess. We'll convene back once the jury has made a verdict. Thank you, everyone.
Hi, sorry for killing you. Get in there.
Can I remark that my assistant is missing an arm?
Oppenheimer-looking bitch.
Can someone give my assistant his arm back?
Missing a Lego piece.
I was hungry. Sorry.
Here.
Alright, well. Look at
That's
my lawyer
not-
dog.
The sparkles
enough.
really helps.
That'll make up for your missing arm.
You're special.
Yes.
Special sparkly boy.
Sparkle.
All right, Tommy. We need to hear the cat speak. What does the cat say?
The cat left. Hold on. Let me go get him. Let me see if I can
Shut up.
find him real quick. Give me a sec.
Oh shit, I'm running.
I found
Fuck,
my fat ass
help.
cat.
Help. Help.
Yo, kitty.
Help.
The cat has spoken.
I would like to personally convince Tristan for being French.
Please go fuck yourself.
Okay,
Cordially.
I'm doing it right now.
Oh no.
Ooh.
Zog.
Help.
Cart.
Okay, what are you doing?
The jury is whipping up a storm in the chats. I'm just saying about that.
I can see that.
By the way, can I just say?
Oh, wait, you have access to the jury chat? You should not be
Am
seeing
I not
it.
supposed to?
You're not supposed to be seeing
I
it.
can see it.
You're the defendant.
Oops.
I don't see an issue. It's my verdict.
Physics
no.
is still on the stage, by the way. Some rumor.
Oh yeah.
Who is
Hi.
Hi. Yeah.
who is this?
Hi, physics.
You're.
We forgot to remove you from the witness stand a while ago.
Haha.
I think someone forgot.
Abigail.
I forgot what button is it. Is it disconnect?
Physics.
No.
No,
Maybe.
it's
Move the audience. Here you
It-
go.
There
yeah.
you
Oh, bye.
Oh wait, physics.
Public execution. If it will.
If it
Can
works,
I keep
then.
my nickname in
It
here as
works.
defending lawyer forever?
Person, nah.
Alright.
Can you please smite
So
this
it's
man?
trespassing inside
No.
the room.
Who left the door open?
Bailiff, delete him.
He's gone. He's gone.
Bailiff, delete his nuts.
Stop
Get this
jumping.
motherfucker.
Neuter him.
Stop jumping before you get neutered too.
Bailiff, remove his testicles from the Roblox workspace.
Yeah.
His
Jarvis,
balls in
where's his
contempt of
balls?
court.
Game.workspace.user.balls. Destroy.
I like how the jury got evidence despite no one gave them the evidence. They got themselves their own evidence.
They're presenting evidence after the court case. That doesn't make sense.
It wasn't introduced as evidence, yet they still have it.
Yeah, should be right.
Your Honor, please.
What happens
please
if they
your
never
balls.
reach a unanimous
you.
verdict?
Oh, they will. They will.
They
will.
have a bailiff to make him.
I mean, I either waive the verdict. I am just going to be executing the French here.
Yeah, fair point.
You know what?
Listen to me. You're American. That's even
At
worse.
the at the end of the trial, I'm giving everyone the laser gun.
Just
Real.
sword yourself so you can deal with trespassers.
Actually, good idea.
Like,
Bro is
one
going to
shot.
kill everyone.
There you go. That's the baton.
Mr.
Present
Bailiff,
the
did you
sword.
did you close up the blinds, the windows?
Yes, there were people peeping. They were peeping in.
The Russian spies.
Let's
The
see if there's
Russians.
anyone.
He had so many alt accounts. It is unreal.
Had to close the window for it.
By the way, did anyone get my reference for the jury? No? It was from 12 Fucking Juries. 12 Angry Men.
Damn.
That was a quote. That was
Wow,
into
Abby.
the-
Wow.
They feel like gay enabled equals false.
Wait, hold on. I think I forgot to turn on one thing, Abigail.
Can someone please deal with the people stacking?
Yeah, you forgot to do that, Abigail. Be
Aim
careful.
training.
All right, Tristan.
It's a
That's
shame Coco came late. We
Jump.
could have used him as a witness.
No,
Mr. Clerk. Please rise.
no,
Delete
Then I'm
his chair.
taking the seat with you.
Mr. Clerk,
no.
you are fired.
No! What are you doing?
Literally.
Yeah.
It was just a prank, bro. No, 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 no!
Oh,
Help!
yeah, there we go.
Help! Help! Help!
Death. Oh, what?
Oh,
What?
how's it going, mate?
The fuck?
Can somebody fix me? I am a star. I'm a portable star.
Sorry, it was for dramatic effect. I had to enforce the
Was that
fact that you're
dramatic to make me brighter?
We turn on the spotlights. Why is Tristan still on fire?
That's because I'm French, that's why.
I see.
Nobody cares to extinguish him.
Boo, you hear
Oh,
the
what?
people
To the
No!
guillotine.
singing
Oh,
the
gotta
song
kick-
of
No!
the Gray Man.
Why am I outside?
My
Help!
my black suit is now white.
How real?
Calm down, Tristan. I'll bring you back in. Just stop moving.
Okay.
Just got it. Okay, I'm gonna put you high up into the air. Just go on top of the roof.
He's gonna fling you off the map.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, shit.
There we go. Now we just got. Stop moving, little
Yeah,
rat.
People are still trying to stack
You,
well.
you're fucking.
Okay, who's
You know
stacking?
what?
Let the
There we
record
go.
show that the defending attorney is going to get a snack.
All right.
They're on you. That's the Russian spy again.
Who is this?
Why is
M3X. I'm deleting you from the workspace.
I got a question. Why is there this John Fitzgerald Kennedy incident?
Yeah, that's the
Okay.
Russian spy, John F. Kennedy incident.
Deleting you from the workspace.
I love how the jury is actually losing logic in this case.
No, I know.
The
I'm
jury's
watching
just
this and I'm like, oh my god, they are not.
Bailiff, could you close the door? Like,
You know, Alex, why don't you
Uh,
just make a decision?
so that, like, if you delete
Unfortunately, you did not request a bench
Stop.
trial, so
them
it went to a jury trial, man.
Whose name is John F. Kennedy incident? What the
yeah, that's the Russian
hell?
spy. I'm telling you, it's the Russian
What?
spy.
That is definitely an alt. Well, see a John F. Kennedy incident.
Yeah, I told you he's the fucking Russian spy. Look at him.
They are using big brains for this jury deliberation.
No, it's
They're trying to figure out where the witnesses was.
Alex, on a scale of 1 to 10, how big are their brains right now?
Let me give you a quote. Let me give you a quote. If Abigail was in the vicinity, what's to say she did not step up to Tanibus to frame him?
There are
Yeah.
so many seats open. Just sit in them for Christ's sake.
I give it to the jury. This is some big brain. I thought they would get a verdict within 5 minutes, but no, they're actually taking their time.
let it be known, don't ever have QSP on jury duty.
Oh my god, I swear I'm going to remove all of you from the workspace in a second.
I just want to remark, I lost my briefcase on the way to the courthouse. It got run over by a cat, and then my car ate it.
Your Honor, I got some Cheez-Its.
Cheez-Its.
Your Honor, please order my defendant, I beg my lawyer to give me some Cheez-Its.
Damn.
Bailiff, take his Cheez-Its.
Can I have some anyway?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Where's the Cheez-Its? Who has the Cheez-Its?
Boy!
Boy, if you don't.
Who has the Cheez-Its?
Oh boy.
Oh no!
Here we go.
No.
Oh boy, here we go.
Remove the flags from behind the judge? Ain't no way. That's American.
We're in America.
This is America.
America.
How is the jury?
No, they're taking their time. They're taking their time.
They're still on the stage, right?
Tommy, what
No,
does
they're
the
in the
cat have to
VC.
say about the upcoming upcoming
Upcoming thingamabob.
the upcoming thing about
Well, he said meow, but he's also trying to take my microphone, so that might be an indication.
I think he's
Who
excited.
kills a cat? That's the question I'm asking.
Car.
Well,
That's
really remove the flag. Why would I remove the
Uh,
flags?
It did Enigma.
I mean, what is this Department of Justice?
You could just F3X the door shut, so that
Are
they
you
can't
taking?
get
Are you
in.
removing the American flag?
No.
What flag are you removing?
Put 2
Uh,
flags. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
maybe.
also,
Oh, very American.
Put some more flags down. Yeah, maybe.
All right, everyone, please stand for the national anthem. Please stand.
Ew.
National anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light? Blah 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 da da da. We're done. Thank everyone for the national anthem.
The defendant was sleeping during the national anthem. I'd just like to make that
Who did
known.
that?
Why is the flag wide?
Wide flag.
America.
Hold on, let me put it on the
It's to represent the population of the U.S. that's obese.
Oh my god, true.
What the fuck?
No, you should just texture everything with the decal. With the American
No,
flag
no.
decal. Yes.
Make
hold
the
on, I
roofs the
gotta put a
American
flag
flag.
into the jury room. I gotta remind the jury that we are in America.
Make sure not to disturb him.
Make the jury's flags.
Put a flag on the
By the way,
desk.
he almost killed the court reporter.
Oops. Yeah, put a flag on their table. They'll like it.
Make them the flag.
They are the flag.
So now I got a
Pure-blooded
question.
American.
Can I get extinguished again?
Fire emoji.
Fire?
Yeah, man, fire.
Nah, bro, that's not fire.
It seems our court reporter is back.
Well,
All right, I
welcome
think that's
back.
enough American flags in there. All right.
How did you put down?
Let's see. I put a bunch on the table, a bunch on the walls, maybe a few floating. I think there's enough America in there.
Could you open the door for
Who
a
put
second?
it on the Who put it on the roof?
Can you open the door so I can see that real quick, Mr. Bailiff?
Yes.
Like the door. Could you open it real quick so we can see? Oh my god.
Well, all missing? Oh, well, never mind.
Attention, everyone, please return to your seats. Attention, everyone, please return to your seats.
Can the spiritor go to the seat again, please?
Very American bailiff. They're stacking again.
Sit the fuck down.
Sit down and get sorted.
I can't sword right now since it's an entire crowd.
Oh my god.
Well, I mean, that's just me. What do you
Why
think,
is
bro?
Martin Miller here?
The fuck? Yeah. Hey, Sim. Can you just... Can someone ban
There's
that?
so many open seats. I'm actually going to remove you all from the workspace.
Can someone ban that John F. Kennedy incident guy?
I banned him already.
What?
Display
Yeah, I'll
names.
ban him. Troll.
Yeah.
Mr. Bailiff, can you please escort the jury back to the jury box? All rise.
I'm still on fire.
Has the jury reached a verdict? Wait, let me get derps. There you go. Derps, has the jury reached a verdict?
We, the jury, in the case of the Quantum Internal Affairs Department versus Tanibus, find the defendant not guilty of the charge of war crimes against an orphanage.
Thank you for your service. Jury, you are now dismissed. Cannabis, you are been found not guilty.
Yeah, let's go.
That's how we do.
Yeah.
Can I remove the barrier now?
No.
Oh, don't everyone.
Oh my god. I'm staying on my fucking seat.
Holy fuck. What is that? that is a.
Oh my
Oh
god.
gosh.
We have
Oh
a bit
my
of a fire
lord.
in the
Court
courtroom.
is now adjourned.
Get the extinguisher.
Hey, we're not reproducing FNAF 3 ending, please.
Someone please get a fire extinguisher. We need to get. We need that. Someone call the fire brigade as well.
Yep. All right.
I am now
Yes,
going to
Cannabis, you
explode
have
the
something to say?
courtroom.
Oh god.
Everyone, quiet down.
boy.
Quiet down, everyone. Quiet down, everyone.
What?
Everyone, quiet down. I think the people from the jury need something to say. The Capats has something to say. Okay.
Okay.
Base.
What did you do?
Oh shit!
Free my girl, she did nothing.
The plot twist.
Damn, Abigail did it.
Goddamn.
Abigail bombed the orphanage.
Alright, we have to have another case.
Yep,
my
Quantum
God.
Internal Affairs Department v. Abigail.
Here we go. Round 2.
All right, is that it?
Whoever's like on fire, can you stop
Your
walking
Honor?
around with lagging our games?
We find this court adjourned. Thank you
Your
everyone for
Honor,
coming.
May I explode everyone?
Oh no.
Do it.
Oh boy.
Do it.
No.
Go
no.
for
Do it.
Run,
No.
run!
I hereby grant
No.
this is no court order. Yes, you
Unanchor
may.
everything.
Get him.
Simplest is bombing the US.
Oh.
Oh
Yeah.
Simplest is guilty.
All right.
Yo.
All right, it's
bomb
been an
enough.
honor and a privilege, boys. Good court case.
The
Yeah, it
courtroom.
was pretty
Right.
good. Like, thank you to Tenebus for letting me the opportunity to be a fucking dumbass clerk.
I don't even know why y'all made the fucking prosecution.
That was interesting.
Originally, we had 2 prosecutors, but unfortunately, they unable to join.
I see.
I had the most hilarious image prepared in case he was actually charged guilty.
We had another image prepared, but I think Tyler forgot to send it.
Was I meant to send it to Alex?
Yes.
Yes, you're supposed to send all evidence to me.
Yeah.
You said after.
That
No,
was
no.
after.
Alright, my bad.
I would like to let everyone know I have the entire map selected. I'm
Oh,
going to
boy.
unanchor
I already
everything.
left.
I hope you're
think
ready
if you
to
do
have a very bad case of lagging.
Oh Jesus
lagging items.
Christ!
Oh my god. Holy fuck! What have you done, Latte?
Oh my god, laddie, you just killed everyone's computer.
Remind me not to hire you as a bailiff again. Jesus
Yeah,
Christ.
good idea.
The great earthquake.
Justice
The
is
great just.
falling
Oh my
apart,
god!
quite
Oh
literally.
god! I just got. Okay, what the fuck is going to my POV? I just got
Justice is indeed falling apart, in a more literal sense.
That sounds like a fucking Friends moment.
Okay, I'm shutting down the server.
Oh no.
I don't know how to shut down the server because I'm getting a gameplay pause. So Yeah, shut down
Hold
all
on, I'll shut
servers.
it down.
There you go.
Yeah, just shut down every server. There you go. All right. You all have a good day.
All right, I'm
Have a
hopping
good
off
day,
as well.
everyone. Thank you, everyone, for coming to this court case.
Bye.
How the hell did you get not guilty?
I don't even know how you
I'm
arrived
wondering
at
the
that.
same thing.
I think we picked the wrong jury.
Yeah.
I call bias within the jury.
Can we do the fucking the questions again at the beginning? Anyway, goodbye.
Okay, bye.